Hi, so my name's Lindsay Metcalf, and I'm an author of picture books, and these are my sons, Bennett and Quinn, and we're really excited because we just got a package from my publisher, Albert Whitman and Company, and kind of think it might have copies of my book, Beatrix Potter, Scientist. So we're going to open it up and we'll find out.
Scissors, woohoo!
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Here. Now look at
What's it?
Be really careful. Oh my gosh, this is the first time I've ever held my book in my hand, and I gotta show you the dust jackets. Even the dust jackets, the art by Junyi Wu is gorgeous. And I am so thrilled. I mean, look at that. Thank you, Junyi. Thank you to my editor, Wendy McClure, and to the whole team at Albert Whitman. And we're going to go off screen and probably cry a little bit. Thanks for watching.